answer to safety is it'll be alright.
Worry about it later, innit? That's all they say.
Worry about it when it happens. So it might be interesting, but it might be absolutely fine. But we won't know.
No.
Well, we will.
We will.
We'll find out.
Soon.
Yeah.
Soon we'll find out.
Yeah. So we'll catch you up in a bit.
And if this video doesn't make it to YouTube, then it's because the GoPro sank.
But we'll have drone footage, so that'll be fine.
If it doesn't get blown away in the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we won't know until we find out. Or about it later.
What's happening? You don't know. The attempt to get the boat in the water.
We'll have to put the boat there and then I could get on the little
Yeah, you said about getting on it. Does he not want my help? I tell you what, maybe we'll go to it anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to film and walk in front. Where's the, is this for the wine cruise, the wine and dine?
I think we spoke about charcutier plates.
Charcutier, that was a big wine.
No, my husband's not really a charcutier kind of guy, so I don't know if that is included in this package.
I'm hoping he's got the wine hidden up.
All I know is he's only just remembered the life jackets, so that's good.
What are we supposed to do? What did he say? If the boat drifts over here, we've got to stop it, I think. Well, that's, yeah. Can you film it?
Woo!
Just stick my thumb out.
Can you stop it smashing into the thing?
I thought he's the boating person. Yeah.
I don't know what thing he's on about. Okay.
He has to get out of the boat again, right? Yeah. That's basically it.
Oh no, they're quite hard.
Yeah, should help us stop it.
I'm going to end up losing my car keys down again.
You got it? That's it. Beautiful.
Right, somehow get in, and then you've all just got to sort of hold it against the tent. Can you hold it there, can you?
Push off.
GoPro just because it was quite choppy and not sure how waterproof the GoPro is, so it's like we just got a couple of clips, but like we didn't catch anything anyway. I think my cousin's friend Matthew caught a salmon, and as he was reeling it in, it fell off, so that was, but it was so close.
Yeah,
so close.
Got these amazing sickness tablets over here that you can take that cure your motion sickness. I did mine.
Yeah.
I think they're better than the ones we get in England.
I wonder if they're the ones that are called sea legs.
They could be. They could be.
They're fantastic. So if you do get motion sick or seasick,
I get sick
them.
on like everything. I'm the worst. I didn't, I was a bit sceptical about even going because of seasickness, but that tablet solved great things.
Yeah.
We need to find out what they are, so when we go to Oz, we'll restrict ourselves as well.
Yeah, see if we can buy them here.
Yeah, we're off to
Akaroa, yeah.
Akaroa.
So we came past it on our way to dock, and it's like it looks like a tiny village. So cousin suggested that we probably go have a look, grab some fish and chips there. We could do early dinner.
Grab some fish and chips. It's dinner. Quite a dinner.
I've had more fish and chips over in New Zealand than I have in my entire life, I think.
And I think it's better tasting as well.
So yeah, we're gonna have a look around here. I think he mainly suggested it because it adds a few minutes onto our trip, because if we got stuck behind him going up these hills, it might take us a while for us to
Yeah.
get back. So it gives them a head start, I guess.
I reckon that was secretly the reason.
Oh, I think it was too. So have a little.
These
little
roads are
round.
nice scenery, nice hills. Mountains,
Yeah.
I suppose. Tide's gone out now, so can't really see it. But, Dick and Fuse has come back because we got off on a different part of the dock to take a double look. You can see there the tide's gone.
Yeah. My cousin trusted me to, I think, really drive a boat.
Yeah,
To drive the boat.
yeah. Shelby drove the boat.
I took the opportunity. I've done it once, so I kind of remembered the steering's really slow, like delayed. So if you turn it left, it takes a few more seconds before the boat actually starts turning. So I had a little bit of knowledge, but like
And then
it was great fun.
Shortly after that, the motor started dying, so we wonder if Shelby killed it.
With my fault, I kept it at 13 the whole time. Was it knots?
Yeah.
13 knots. I kept it at 13.4 knots the whole time. Apart from all, I didn't understand that you could just let it go, and I went to 16, but that was for a brief moment. But yeah,
Are you going to take up a career in boating?
I could do that. Yeah,
Okay, so we've gone from working with
like
wildlife
50 years time, maybe I'll be a
to
boater.
working in the boating career. Boaters, is that the word?
I don't know.
Captains.
Yeah, Captain
Shelby.
Ambrose.
Captain Shelby Ambrose.
Woo. It's giving. It's very pretty. Just gives us French.
I think it is.
Lots of signs of Frenchness.
The French flag and so on.
Yeah. Been to like a town that's new, and this is very new. See, a lot of the buildings are freshly put up, but it's very colourful, very pretty around here. The Glorious Dead. Yeah, that's what it said on the building. Emporium.
Oh my god.
Petty station. It's a very small town. It's purple. There's the French flag again. It's really pretty. It's cafes, it's cinema. Bistro. Oh, he's tired from all his excitement today.
I'm tired from holding on.
That's very cute around here, actually. Just a lot of places are closed, which we've decided not to get out and have a walk around because everywhere's kind of closed. So we decided to opt for something else for dinner, didn't we?